So I wanted to show you guys how easy it was to use the Walmart Pickup Grocery app. All you need to do is download the Walmart app to your phone and open it up. The first thing you'll want to do is choose your local Walmart or whichever Walmart you would like to pick up at and choose the date and time. It's usually always the next day or whenever available they have. And they give you an hour increment, so you can choose to pick up between 2 and 3. And anytime during that hour is a great time for you to be able to go and pick up your groceries. So then you just start finding your items by searching them and adding whichever quantity of each item you would like. When you're done shopping, all you do is check out by putting in your card information, and they will send you an email letting you know that your order has been confirmed. Usually about an hour before your pickup time, you will receive an email and it will let you know if anything has been substituted or if anything's out of stock. So when you head to Walmart during your pickup time, you just follow the signs for your pickup and you'll pull right into a parking spot with the orange sign. So all you want to do is open your app right back up again and check in. They know that you're already there, but you want to tell them what parking spot number you are in and also the color of your car. So when an employee comes out, they will confirm your name and then they'll just load the groceries right in the car for you. It's absolutely amazing. I got a new eyeliner pencil and some bobby pins, some deodorant, and this Great Value energy drink mix. I use this to help me with my migraines. As long as I have some caffeine each day, I usually don't get a migraine. So I like to drink these every day. I got a big bag, a 3-pound bag of Gala apples, a gallon of 2% milk, some Southern style hash browns. We are going to be having tinfoil dinners this week. And we love to use these frozen hash browns in place of potatoes because they cook so much quicker when you are doing it on the fire in tinfoil. Some mayonnaise, 2 cans of black beans, a jar of jalapeno slices, 2 cans of SpaghettiOs, and we're going to be having black bean nachos this week. He likes to have these every now and again. And we ran out of all of our garlic in the house, all at the same time. It was really funny. So we have some garlic salt and some minced garlic in a jar, and also some garlic powder. We also ran out of eggs, which isn't like us because we always buy tons and tons of eggs. But when Bailey and Riley were here, there were at least 2 or 3 of us that were having eggs every single morning, which is so great. So I got 2 packages of 18-count eggs. I got 2 containers of sour cream. We love this Daisy Squirt sour cream. It's so easy with the squeeze. Some zucchini, some broccoli. I got the broccoli to put on the side of some salmon and garlic mashed potatoes. A big package of paper plates, a package of toilet paper, some ramen noodles. It's been so difficult during this whole quarantine to find ramen noodles. I'm not sure why. I'm sure it's easier when you go into the stores, but every time I put it in my cart for pickup, it usually gets taken out because they are out of stock. But at least today we got these. My kids' favorite flavors are beef and pork, and we usually can't even find those at all. But we did get some chicken today, so that's good. And I got 10 ears of corn. We're so excited that it's summertime and that corn on the cob is now in the store. We are going to have this one of Ray's favorite meals is ham and macaroni and cheese and corn on the cob. And so we're going to have that this week. So that's my haul.